Hello, folks. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. Unfortunately, Uni and Dino went away because of political reasons. And today, I had an interesting question about making cookies. Well, I don't have teeth, and a lot of people know Uncle Alan cooks. Now, today's a no burn day, all right? It's the 15th of November. It's a no burn day, so I had to use the oven. And yes, I'm still waving knives, my favorite boot knife. But first, again with Little Patriot. Okay, make sure you check him out, because pretty soon Uncle Alan can't do this because, I don't know, something hinky with the federal government getting mad at an old guy holding a sign like this. And Uncle Alan's on a cane. You got to understand, I cannot cook and film at the same time. It's a little hard for me. Now, if you want to see somebody's not prepared, you go check out this person real quick. And please help out AK Fab and Cheryl Hirsch. Cheryl just did a video. I didn't have get time to watch it, but please help them out on their, let's see, supporters right here and supporters right here. Now, later on today, I'll be doing another video I got the notes, for, let's see, the underground, for, what you call it, for long-term food storage system, using food buckets and stuff that doesn't cost your arm and leg and looks neat. And I already did this to Cheryl, Dad on YouTube, West Wind Survival, Just in Time Prepping, Marshman Hills, Chris McBee, and Cheryl Hirsch. Excuse me, I have to get a little coffee. Coffee. This is a short one. I hate trolls. I hate trolls, political activists, so, and a few other things. I don't argue or talk to them because
No.
I don't do that. Okay, getting into a discussion and comments and stuff with these people is a bad idea. Why? You don't want to do it.
No!
Okay, so first thing, whoops. I think I lost the little thing already. Dang it. Sorry, well, I lost a little sticker on here. It's someplace around. Okay, just in time prepping. Yeah, I gotta make a new one. And before these days go by, we had a nice chat this afternoon. It's probably in my book, and I'll find it later. Sorry about that, Will. Getting old. Okay, now, who was I showing? Corsair trainers. Asking me about cookies. Well, if I had teeth, I'd make cookies. But, and also they showed you how to make stuff and stuff. If I had a film crew and editor and stuff, I could do it fairly easy. I don't like to film and cook at the same time. It's a little hard for me because I have a cane and I don't have proper camera equipment. Now, see that? That's oat flour, apples, and honey. Now you got to figure out what kind of leavening agent I use to make this. Okay, not bought at a supermarket. This is home baked. See that? I gotta hold it up to the laptop's camera. Home bake, homemade, with stored fruit from my root cellar. Now, here's a question for you guys. Uncle Alan knows how to cook. What leavening agent did I use for this? Take a good look at the holes. Okay, do you know what leavening agent I'm using? Remember, I use oat flour, food storage, with crumbs all over my thing, stored apples, oat flour, and honey. You know what leavening agent I use? Of course, nobody knows. Why? Because no one cooks. 3 simple things, I made it. I don't have teeth, so why in the hell do I need to bake cookies? They're hard. Okay, and if you want to make it soft, that's why you have 5 gallons of manteca, Steve. So, okay, and I had manteca to coat the pan. Now I had to use a gas oven, and it's an iron cast pan. 2 plus 2 is equal 4, not 5, not 6, not anything. So, to the people out there who wants to see it, do it yourself, learn how to do it, learn how to cook instead of opening cans and pouring can A to can B to can C and think you're a cook. No, Uncle Al's old school and he knows how to cook. Now, see how moist this is? All right, not store-bought, this is handmade. That's for it today, folks. I'm going to come back as I finish this one and get everything set up. I'll catch you later. Sorry. Let's see what this is. Think that.